In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get temporary email to log in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. You can simply type google.com into the address bar and press enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, click the search box and type temp mail. This is the quickest way to find a reputable disposable email service without memorizing any specific URL. On the results page, look for the listing titled Temp Mail, Disposable Temporary Email. It should point to the official domain at tempmail.org. Be mindful of ads or lookalike sites that might appear at the top. The correct result will clearly mention disposable or temporary email and the domain will match. Click that result to open the site. As soon as the page loads, a temporary email address will be generated for you automatically. You don't need to sign up or provide any personal details. You'll see the email address displayed prominently, along with an inbox area on the same page. Any messages sent to that temporary address will show up right there. If you're waiting on a verification code or a login link, keep this tab open and give it a moment. Most messages arrive within a minute or two, but it can vary depending on the sender. If nothing appears, try refreshing the page. When your email arrives, click on it in the inbox to open and read the contents. From there, you can copy any verification code or follow a link as needed to complete your login elsewhere. A few quick tips to keep things smooth and secure. Use temporary emails for low-stakes tasks like trying out services, downloading white papers, or quick sign-ins. Avoid using them for anything sensitive or long-term, such as banking, health accounts, or your primary profiles, because temporary emails can expire and you may lose access to future messages. Also, don't close the tab until you're done, since some services tie that temporary address to your current session. If you want to discard the current address and start fresh, look for the delete button on the page. Clicking delete removes the existing temporary email in its inbox, and the website will immediately generate a brand new address for you. Keep in mind that once you delete it, you won't be able to retrieve previous messages, so make sure you've completed any verifications before you proceed. And that's it. By using Google to find temp mail, opening the official site, letting it generate an address automatically, checking your messages on the page, and deleting the address when you're done, you can quickly get a temporary email for logins whenever you need it.